Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Have you heard of the ghost painting trend? It's where you go to a thrift store and you pick out a painting and then you incorporate ghosts or some kind of haunted imagery into it. Well, my husband, he loves to paint Dia de Muertos paintings. He's so good at it. So he decided to do the ghost painting trend but make it Dia de los Muertos. So this is the one that he picked out, and this is a print on like a cardboard backing, and he just went to town. I know that the concept is supposed to be where you incorporate a ghost here and there that kind of changes it, but you know what, he just went with it. He used his creativity and created a whole new scene. So this is what I encourage everyone to do, is check out what's happening with the trends, but make it your own, because that's what really makes it stand out. Of course, if you do get a painting from the thrift store, which is, you might need to go check out a couple different thrift stores to find the right painting. Make sure that it's not like an original painting by a famous artist. You can Google it. Most of them are prints, but just to be safe, you know, check to make sure if it has a signature on it. This one was just a print, and it was from the 1970s. Didn't this come out so cool? What do you think of my husband's paintings? Do you think I should share some more of the process of his creations? We have a lot of his paintings and they're so fun to look at. I love how this turned out. So next we just need to paint the frame, and he's actually selling this painting. So if you're interested, send me a message. It came out so cool. Let me know if you try this trend, the ghost painting trend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have an awesome crafty day.